welcome back! Hello guys, welcome to the channel Lady Mart. Today I will share with you my emotions and thoughts about series Squid Game. Also, you will know 5 facts about Squid Games, and we will paint a bank art from this series.
Yeah, boy, I'll be.
5 facts you didn't know about Squid Game. Did you know that this series set the record number of views? First fact, in 7 days, this series scored 111 million views on Netflix. Second fact, during the game Red Light and Green Light, the doll did not scan the grandfather. Third fact, Ki-hoon's sweet honeycomb technique is personal Kwon experience. This is how he himself carved the figures when he was a child. The night before shooting third series, he tried to repeat this technique and make sure that this is work. Fourth fact, the doll from the first game is real and you can see it by your own eyes cause it's placed in Carriage Museum, which consists in Xinjiang country. The doll was born for the shooting duration of filming and then returned on its right place. The masked guards were originally supposed to be Boy Scouts, but then author understands that they need to do it as a hard-working ants, and the pink costume it is the best variant. It was the 5 facts about Squid Game, and let's start our bank art. So dear friend, we have got a picture of bank art. This is Guard. Guard. This is my friend.
Stop it. Get some help.
Thank you that you watched my video today. I would be so happy to see you in another video. And Bennett too. His name Benedict.
Oh my god! Wow!
Now you know. And also subscribe, like and comment video. Tell me what you want to watch in another video. So bye!